We are learning to order numbers to 20. Here is a number line from 0 to 20. Read the numbers with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here are some numbers between 0 and 20. I want to put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. I'm going to use my number line to help me do this. The smallest number, I'm going to look along and find the smallest number. The smallest number is the number 3 because that comes first on my number line. Now when I keep looking along my number line, I'm looking for the next number. The next number is the number 8, so that's my next smallest number. Now I'm going to keep looking along the number line. The next number that comes up is the number 11, so I'm going to put that down here. Keep looking along the number line. My next number is the number 15. That's my next number. And then from 15 I'm going to look onwards again, and my next number is the number 19. I have put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. Let's look at one more example. I'm going to put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. I'm going to start looking along my number line, and when I get to the first number that I can see down below, that's the number that's the smallest. That's my number 5, so I'm going to move that first. My next number that comes up is the number 6. After that, my next number as I go along my number line is the number 12. Keep going along the number line. My next one is the number 17. And moving along the number line again, my last number is the number 20. So I have put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. This is how you order numbers from smallest to biggest. You can use a number line to help you to do your work with that too this week.